Dex, Oz, and Ate Love. Love, no? Hi, Love. Sana all may love. Hey guys, so we're just landed here at Bacolod Silay. Hey. Welcome.
Isabela po.
Manila. Thank you.
I was about to leave, and he told me, young man, I have never.
Wait lang. Where are we going? Alright. Hey guys. Where are we going? Diyan lang, sa Gedli.
First, we need to find water.
We need water. The water of life. The bread of life, naging water of life. Sir, anong name mo, sir? Anyanagan mo, sir?
Na-speechless.
Sir, anyanagan mo, sir?
Shock ni JB.
JB. JB Harrison.
JB.
Ma'am, anyanagan mo, ma'am?
BJ.
Buko juice! It's buko juice, guys. Because we need refreshers.
Ako nga magkawak. Hello everyone. Kasan ay back cam dalaw eh?
Ato yun eh.
Oh yes. Ayan. Hi guys. Please say hi.
Hi po.
Hi. How are you doing so far? Do you feel renewed?
Of course, amen.
Okay.
How about you? Back you.
Can you see that, my house?
Actually, that's the building that I donated 10 years ago. Naglaki.
Talaga naman. Ha? Bakit? Water kayo. Guys, we're going sa outreach.
Moved out po.
Ano masasabi mo?
Okay, this trip.
Ilan na yan?
Bakit yan? Ay, grabe, apat lang.
Oh, apat.
Naganda si kanya.
5 precious stones. Ba't parang
Ilan po?
parang sa inyo? 7 po sa akin eh.
7.
tinapay.
Napay lang saan?
Daan sa tinapay. In-exchange. Kung gusto niya lang po, in-exchange.
Tibay boxing nyo?
Opo. Okay.
Kuya.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ay, tubig. Taraw po ba kayo? O namasakit na po ba kayo? Wala po. Pero kailangan niyo kumain. Kumakain po ba kayo ng apple?
Nagpalibot sa akin na nagpalibot sa akin sa naway. Dinadalangin namin na naway kayo ginawaan siyang manupay sa kanya.
Except this time, there was another phone call, and it was evening. The doctor said she's not going to make it through the night. This is it. We're there. That's it. When we were driving to the hospital, it was a blur. It was raining, it was cold. A year passed, a year of praying for healing, for praying for God to intervene, praying for God to...
O, ganyan na lang. Ganyan, okay?
Video ba yan?
Hi! Hey.
Ba't kasi tatakbo pa? Bakit hindi kayo
One. Oy, tatakbuhan. Punta ka na dito. Punta na dito.
Hindi lang po kita yung
One, two, three.
PYC 2025 as promised! PYC 2025 as promised! See you at PYC 2026 above and beyond!
Guys, we're here at the final charge. How's your experience?
As promise, walang kampay.
Hi! See you next year. Amen.
See you, Mindanao.
Hi guys, last day here at CPAC. Alright. Babalik na naman tayo sa Manila. Alam mo yun. Sarap lang dito, like the view and everything. Guys, alam niyo ba cross SM Bacolod? May usok. Kasi andito yung mga, ayan, si Aida. Sino yung katabing Aida? Si Umbaw. So, ayan.
Manukan country. Pati sa kabila, manukan din.